So in the third problem, I took the liberty of setting it up ahead of time. I have 25 milligrams per milliliter. I'm going to change that to kilograms per cubic meter. Write down what we're given, 25 milligrams per milliliter. We need to remove milligrams because we want kilograms. So I'm going to put milligrams on the bottom. You could put kilograms here, but once again, I don't think you know that relationship, so just put grams there, and 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. Now milligrams have canceled, so let's go ahead and do that. Milligrams are gone. There they go, gone. We're ready now to change grams to kilograms. So we'll put grams on the bottom, right here, and that will cancel out grams on the top over here. Now if we worked at this point, the unit, we would have kilograms per milliliter in our answer, but we don't want that. So we're going to change milliliters to cubic centimeters. And the reason we're going to change milligrams to cubic centimeters, Axel is our dog. So the reason we're going to change milliliters to cubic centimeters is because we want to have some context for cubic centimeters and cubic meters. All right. That should be for 1,000 grams. Okay, so now back to this. We're going to change milliliters to cubic centimeters. So if I have milliliters on the bottom, I put it on the top of this conversion, and then they cancel out. The bottom over here, and the top over here. So now my unit would be, I have kilograms on top, I have cubic centimeters on the bottom. But I need cubic meters. So I'm going to put cubic centimeters on the top of the next conversion so that they cancel out. Which leaves us with cubic meters on the bottom. So I have 1 kilogram, or excuse me, I have not 1 kilogram, but I have kilograms on the top, and I have cubic meters on the bottom, and that's what I'm looking for. Notice this 1 million to 1 ratio, just like up here we discussed, that a cubic meter is 100 centimeters on the side. So it's 100 times 100 times 100, and that's how we get 1 million. So now you do the math, 25 times 1 times 1 times 1, and divide by 1,000, and divide by another 1,000, and divide by, and then, oh, I said that wrong. I'm going to back up. 25 times 1 times 1 times 1 times a million. Then we divide that by 1,000 and divide by 1,000 again. So it looks like the answer is just 25 because the 2,000s cancel out the million. That's the end of that problem.